I built a mini boost pedal into this guitar and it works. And it's awesome, but I have one problem. Because the jack cables are permanently connected to the pedal, the battery's getting drained all the time, even though I turn off the pedal. So I have to take out the battery every time I'm finished playing the guitar. That doesn't work. It's too much of a hassle. But then John commented, to save the battery, you can swap out the jack for a stereo jack and ground the battery when nothing is plugged in. I wasn't aware of that. Using a stereo output jack for battery switching? Didn't know. I already made the change to the wiring diagram. You can find it on partscasterplanner.com. Just choose this guitar and under electronics you can find the wiring diagram right there. So I'm going to make that small mod right now. I have the stereo jack right here. Here is the new one, that's a stereo output jack. No, it doesn't fit in there. It's amazing I can't make a single video without drama. Now it fits, but that wasn't beautiful at all. Okay, this is the hot one, touching the tip of the jack. No, wait a second. Okay, this is embarrassing. I bought another mono jack. This is not a stereo jack. And you know what? I bought it on Thomann, and when I was in there, I wanted to save on shipping. So I thought I might as well buy the Boss OC5 octavo pedal. So I did that just to save on shipping because I got this one. Okay, I think I'll just shut everything down and I'll see you when I get the stereo jack. Okay, 5 days later and I got the actual stereo jack. This is so ironic because I actually built a whole website to avoid this problem. A shopping list with all parts for a guitar build with the internet address for each part so that you won't buy the wrong one and it turns out it doesn't fit. Pretty ironic, right? That's the mono. No, that's the stereo and this is the mono. Okay, it's in there. So this one is the tip and that's the hot right there. That's the hot one. So I'm going to put my ground wire over here. There you go. Okay, so let's cut the black wire. And then I'm going to put the black wire coming from the pedal in here as well. Now I just need to put the other battery over here. And that's it, that's the whole thing. So I just put some gaffer tape in there just to isolate the jack output so it doesn't touch the sides with the copper foil. It works no problem. If I pull out the cable, this should turn off, right? And it does. You can see it better without that much light. I can turn the pedal on and off, and if I pull out the jack, I can't. Now the battery is not getting drained whenever I pull out the jack. I should have done that from the beginning. I admit this video was as much a video about what not to do, but that can be helpful as well, right? Anyways, if you want to see how I built this guitar, you can check it out right here.